the Sukesh Chandrasekhar money laundering case, actress Nora Fatehi today in front of the Patiala House Court has recorded her statement. The entire drill went for at least an hour, where Nora came into the national capital and sat in front of the magistrates court here at Patiala House Court, and then I beg your pardon, at the Patiala House Court, and there she gave her statement in the 200 crore massive money laundering case. What needs to be seen here is that Nora had turned approver, and this has come after that allegations were initially put on Nora as that there were some kickbacks given, but Nora was able to produce documents that yes, she performed, and following which the payment and the car that eventually she lent off to one of her kin, following which the economic offence wing had also taken the note of it, and Nora Fatehi had turned approver. Now, as of today, Nora had given a detailed statement in the connection, and after this, when the trial will begin, this particular statement will be tabled in front of the court and will also be considered as admissible. So this is a massive case coming in the national capital, where Nora Fatehi has given a statement in front of the judge at the Patiala House Court.
Okay, you know, Madhurima, you're getting us those details, also the first pictures now that we are seeing on our screen. So statement has been recorded. We are given to understand, Madhurima, it took a good 1.5 hours. Now, what all is it that she has apparently said to the magistrate? Is there any inside track? Could we speak to her lawyer? Because time and again she's been saying that I am not an accused in the entire case.
Well, yes, Deepthi, her lawyer in a statement had said that Nora has been very supportive in the entire matter, and she has been lending all her support, has been present every time that she has been summoned, and even as, she has more engagements in and outside the country, she'll continue to do so. Now, what needs to be seen here is that Nora had made it very clear that her participation as far as any relation with Sukesh were only business related, and that she was fairly able to produce enough evidence in front of the investigative authorities and of course the judicial authorities as well, that she was turned approver. And now today's statement is very important, Deepthi, because this statement will be put in trial, and when the entire investigation will begin, of course, if there are going to be any contradiction between the statement that has been made here in front of the judge here at Patiala House Court and at the time when the trial will take place, that is going to add a lot of substance. However, Nora Fatehi had made it very clear that leaving that particular instant when she performed, and then after which she was given the money and the car, leaving that she had no relation whatsoever after she had the slightest of the hint that there might be something wrong with Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Now we'll have to wait and watch, Deepthi, as to how the trial begins, because this is going to streamline a lot of things, because Sukesh's main people have been also brought under the scanner as well, where we saw that how there were multiple people involved, and the initial argument that was kept from Sukesh was that why the engagement with all these actresses, only because he wanted to start a talent company, and which is why these actresses were roped in, or these meetings were being arranged. But the kind of investigation that has happened on the side of the investigative authorities and the kind of economic offences that have come forward, we'll have to see as to how does the trial goes. And today a very important day, because the statement has been recorded, and this is going to be the final word as far as Nora Fatehi is concerned. Deepthi.
All right, so that's a big story. Madhurima tracking that for us for the moment. Madhurima, thank you.